Hello my friends, welcome to Instant Out Electronics channel. This is Uncle Misha and this video gonna be not about electronics. So today we got some pens and let's see what are they. So as you see, this is Parker, one of my favorite brands of stationery or favorite brands of pens. So let me tell you a quick story. So many years ago I was given as a gift a Parker fountain pen and Parker Jotter pen, like a roller ball or ball pen, and I really enjoyed them. They were top quality pens. The funny thing is I lost those two and I cannot find them. I'm pretty sure I brought them with me to Canada. I cannot locate them. So in desperate attempt to relive this experience, I decided to buy some Parker pens and let's see what they are. Alrighty, so let's see what we have here. So what it isn't about that, it was just because it was on really good sale on Amazon. Just decided to buy some of those Jotter pens. They are, look what we have here. We have 4 different pens here. So they are ball pens. So essentially they just 4 different colors. We have blue, we have purple, we have green, and we have yellow. So how many of you have seen yellow pen? The only thing that I do not understand is this is actually colors of the case, or this is actually the color of the ink. We have a little pamphlet here. Obviously doesn't say much about it. It says Newell, Europe. Wait, what? Newell. What is this Newell thing? I thought this is Parker. So this should look like an IKEA kind of style labeling. Well, at least it says made in France. Yeah, so this thing at least made in France. So I'm not really sure who's the Parker brand. What country is this? Let me figure this out. But in the meantime, we're gonna do some pen testing and see how good are those. So what I like about these pens, they are fairly lightweight. They are very handy, not too big, not too small. I would say actually on the smaller side. Very good mechanism. Very nice. I like this replacement ink cartridges, or I don't know how you call them, refills. Okay, so this is genuine, obviously Parker, because it came with it. Very simple push button mechanism, and a lot of like switching mechanisms actually built in this cap, which actually ends the cartridge or refill. Very nice clunking action. Okay, let's start from this green one. It's black. So I'm not sure if all of them black. So all of them black. So black is actually nice. I like black pens. So all of them. For some reason I thought they are different color. I don't know why would I. For some reason this purple one is kind of stiffer than others. Very interesting. So here we are. This actually works very well. So I'll be super happy to enjoy these Parker pens. They are Parker Jotter, different color, and you have, but in this particular color, they are in black. Yes, it actually says here, Jotter original 4 BP, I don't know, medium black, GB. Britain? I don't know. So they are all black color, and I'll be enjoying them because I like this feeling of the Parker pen. I like the silver cup. My favorite was actually pen was like this, but this was dark blue, and it's just for some reason it was so kind of feeling quality. That's actually exactly the same pen, but the color is kind of funky. But I don't know, for some reason these were on sale, and per piece this goes to like very small amount of money, so I decided to get them. So yes guys, I'm gonna quite enjoy those pens because I think they are well made. They're gonna serve me for a long time. I'm not sure what's the capacity of the original cartridge, because some people say the original cartridge usually comes like half empty and the replacement cartridges are usually full, and but original means the one which comes with the pen at the from the store or from the at the moment of purchase, right? Yeah. Anyways, I like this pen. It's actually very nicely sits in your hand, very good, very easy to write. All right, so I think this is gonna be it. I know it's gonna be a short video. I just want to show you the how Parker Jotter looks like, how it works. It actually works pretty well. I like it. I like it. I like it. It actually rolls very nicely. You don't have to really do much of an effort, you know. Yeah, so probably some of them need to be kind of broken down, because this one it actually rolls nice now too. Yeah, all of them are very good out of the box. Yeah, so they're pretty smooth, pretty consistent, all four of them, you know. So I totally gonna enjoy those pens because I still write a lot and I like writing. So guys, I think that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching, staying with me for that short video. Please stay tuned for more. Stay safe and ciao.